Hey there, welcome to what could be very well a game changer for your moving company. If you've been feeling like your website is it's sitting there, it's not pulling its weight, it's not the kind of marketing tool that you absolutely need, then we've got something for you. I'll be hosting a webinar lined up on how to transform your website into a high converting engine. And it's all about taking your site from zero to hero, specifically for the moving industry. We're going to uncover the kind of strategies that actually make a difference. Think about your website. It could be a client magnet, drawing people in and guiding them through the right door. We'll show you how to tweak your site's design so that it's not just nice to look at, but it's also structured so that people are engaged and moving forward to a booking, a phone call. Imagine having content on your site that speaks directly to your visitors, addressing their biggest headaches and dreams, because sometimes this is their first moving, we don't know. So how can we be that source for them to make this an easy move, a stress-free move? What are those things that are they thinking about that are difficult for them? So the website needs to kind of help guide them and build that trust. We're going to talk about the power of stories through testimonials, case studies, making your potential clients feel like they're at home, secure in their choice that you are the person for them. And we're not stopping there. I'm going to dive into the nuts and bolts of making the booking process as smooth as possible with tools that kind of save time for both you and your clients. SEO, yes, we'll be talking about that as well. We're going to break down how to make sure your moving company is properly coded and updated so it's primed for search engines. The webinar is packed with insights and actionable steps. It doesn't matter if you're starting from scratch or if you're just looking to up your game. We're going to walk away with a plan and make your website the kind of place that turns visitors into customers. So sign up for the webinar now and let's make sure that your website is working harder for your moving company. Register below and for the webinar, and let's make sure that the website is going to work for you and it's going to work as hard as you do for your moving company. All right, so I can't wait to see you there and help you kickstart your website's transformation. Bye.